Alright, making a video because my door will not unlock or open from the outside. It'll open from, took this wire, it'll open from that, and then it'll open with that. But it will not open with the outside. So, after doing a lot of research and YouTube, you have to take off that bolt, and then there's an access hole right there. Just remove those bolts. You can pull this back right there and just let it dangle. Now back here, you can see, and it's not going to focus, is it? There it is. There's a ball, and it's supposed to be, you slide it from the bottom in that channel, and it moves to the front with a cable. And then that white piece there, piece of plastic, that channel right there, slides in, sorry about the focusing, right there, somehow. I haven't done it, I think actually in front. So, that piece, that little nipple looking thing, slides, and the bigger piece goes to the front. So, I think that's my problem. We'll go ahead and connect that, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so, get it zoomed in. Zoom. Alright, so that little ball slides from the bottom, and the cable slides to that channel up, and then slide it forward. And then I was right the first time. That little channel there, you slide it in there, and you have to push really hard, and it snaps into place. And let's show you here. So that fixed my problem. So now it opens and shuts from the outside. And then there's a bunch of videos on YouTube of how to remove your door panel and possibly put it back on. So if you have a problem with the door not opening from the outside handle and you hear something rattling inside, but it opens with your remote, with that button, with the inside handle, and then your buttons up here, but not the outside door, it's going to be that little piece in there came undone. Or if that's still connected, then you have a actuator or a pop lock, whatever way. Well, let me show you. So that cable runs from the front there. It runs inside the door down here. It comes out right here, runs along to back here. So you'll have to take off this whole panel, and I think there's a video on YouTube how to do that.